What is a distribution in kind? Have you ever wondered what happens to assets when someone passes away? One important concept in estate planning is the distribution in kind. So, what exactly does that mean? A distribution in kind refers to the transfer of assets or property to beneficiaries in their existing form. This means that instead of converting those assets into cash, the beneficiary receives the actual asset itself. For instance, if a family member leaves behind a home or shares of stock, a distribution in kind allows the executor or trustee to transfer the title of the home or the stock certificates directly to the beneficiary. This method can be particularly meaningful because it respects the wishes of the deceased and can preserve the sentimental value of the assets. In the context of retirement account distribution, estate planning, and the probate process, distributions in kind play a significant role. Executors and administrators have specific duties when managing these assets. They must ensure that the distribution aligns with the governing will, trust, or retirement plan documents. It is essential to confirm that these documents authorize such distributions. From a tax perspective, distributions in kind can be beneficial. Generally, they do not trigger immediate recognition of gain or loss for the estate or trust. However, there are exceptions. If the distribution satisfies a pecuniary bequest, which is a gift of a specific dollar amount, the estate may need to recognize gain or loss on the distributed asset. When executing a distribution in kind, careful valuation of the asset is necessary. This ensures fairness among beneficiaries and proper tax reporting. Executors and administrators must be diligent in documenting the value of the asset at the time of transfer. In practical terms, a distribution in kind can help avoid transaction costs associated with selling assets. It can also provide a smoother process for beneficiaries who may prefer to receive the actual asset rather than cash. Overall, a distribution in kind is a method of transferring estate or trust assets directly to beneficiaries in their original form. This approach can honor specific bequests and may offer favorable tax treatment. However, it requires careful administration to meet legal and fiduciary duties. Understanding this process can help ensure that the wishes of the deceased are respected and that beneficiaries receive what they are entitled to.